So excitement all around here at the Kumasi Baba Yara Stadium, and I just saw that the goalkeeper made a wonderful save, and it was cheered by the crowd here at this section of the stadium. But I've got myself a fan here who is very much, I'm sure he's very much elated that the Stars are here to train their very final training ahead of their final group stage game against Central African Republic tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. GMT. But you've seen the players train and they're still living training. Are you very optimistic about tomorrow's game?
Yes, I'm very much optimistic. Tomorrow Ghana is winning. Judging from what I've seen so far per their training, 2 beautiful goals have been scored. You said that the keeper made a very beautiful save, and that was right. But I'm still optimistic that tomorrow we are beating that. We saw them train earlier this evening or this afternoon, the Central African Republic team. They are very good, but we still believe that Ghana will sail through.
What do you think the scoreline is going to be?
Oh, 2-0.
2-0.
2-0, yeah.
All right, great. And so one fan is saying that, what he's seen here today is absolutely enough for him. And he believes that the Ghana Black Star team are going to triumph tomorrow against Central African Republic by 2-0. But before you go, who do you want to see on the score sheet tomorrow?
In fact, per the training I've seen so far, I'm very much impressed about the performance of Jordan Ayew. He has been very good in terms of this training. He scored a very beautiful goal a while ago, and the crowd even applauded him. In fact, they gave him a rousing welcome applause. So I'm thinking that tomorrow he's going to score.
All right. A fan favorite, but then not many people would like to want to see Jordan Ayew play anytime he gets selected. But if anything is to go by what he did at Crystal Palace in the month of August, judging the best player for Crystal Palace in the month of August, if he replicates that tomorrow, I'm sure that the Ghana Blasters should be, qualifying into Ivory Coast 2024. But we'll move straight up on top to get some thought of the fans again to let us know what they also feel or what they also make of tomorrow's game. I've got here another interesting fan. He wants to talk about the Black Stars. Obviously, yes, he's a Ghanaian, so why not speak about the Black Stars? Boss, you've seen the team train today, and they are still training. We've seen some wonderful goals being scored at the training section. But tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow you're playing against Central African Republic. What do you make of it after this training that you've seen here?
Yeah, our players, they are doing well. What I'm seeing now, I think we are okay. We can beat them.
You sure?
Yeah.
How many goals?
Maybe 2-0, of course.
Really?
Yeah.
Who do you want to see on the score sheet?
Sorry?
Who do you want to see on the score sheet?
Ernest Nyama. Yeah.
Why do you favor? It's a fan favorite. When the bus arrived, the people were chanting Ernest Nyama. But why do you want to see Ernest Nyama on the score sheet?
Because he knows how to play. Yeah, he's a good player, of course.
Oh, wow. That's incredible. Wow. Then tell us more about it. He moved to Lyon. And everybody got excited about it. He had his very first game against Paris Saint-Germain. How proud are you to see your brother play in such a big league like that?
Yeah, I'm proud, and it's because he's a hard-working guy, and I think he deserves where he's playing now. Yeah.
Right, so if Ernest Nyama pull up that Black Star shirt tomorrow here at the Baba Yara Stadium and he scores, how would you feel?
I'll feel proud of him, and I'll be proud too that he's my younger brother. Yeah.
All right, it's quite exciting that we've got Ernest Nyama's younger brother here in the stands, and he's telling us that tomorrow he's very much optimistic his big brother, that he's very much optimistic that tomorrow Ernest Nyama is going to score a goal against Central African Republic. We saw his cameo against Paris Saint-Germain. There was something to talk home about. How he wiggled his way through the Paris Saint-Germain defenders. Possibly he could do that tomorrow against the Central African Republic. But his bigger brother says that he would love to see Ernest Nyama score a goal, or he would love to see Ernest Nyama celebrating a goal here at the Kumasi Baba Yara Stadium, where he is here to witness or to watch him play. But then we'll move on to, or possibly let's go to the diehard fans for them to also give us their thought. They're here to support the Black Stars, so obviously, let's listen to them. The team is training. It looks like, the next 10 to 15 minutes, they should be done training. But are you optimistic that tomorrow the Ghana Blasters are going to carry the day?
Yeah, we believe in our players because this is a crucial match for us. And this is a match that will determine our qualification tomorrow. So per what we have saw here this evening, show us that tomorrow they are going to do their best to make sure that Ghana will be at the AFCON. And we believe in them. They have done it before. So 100% surely, we are here to do our best to support them, and they will give us a win that we are expecting from them. And you know, one thing we add is that Ghanaians, let's come tomorrow, because these are our national players, and they are here to boost our morale. And we also have to support them and give them the best support that they need so that they will be able to put out their best. But without us, how would they perform? But when they turn around and see that, oh, Ghanaians are with us, they will kill themselves, and surely we will be there.
What should the Black Stars team be expecting from the Supporters Union tomorrow?
They should expect something big from us as usual. You know, wherever they go, other athletics, volleyball, we are there with them. And when they went for the World Cup, we are there with them. And this is the final match that determines our qualification tomorrow. So we will put out our best as we normally do, but tomorrow to be exceptional. As we are speaking, 5 buses are from Accra, and they'll be here by early morning because of this match. So we are ever prepared for them.
All right, so the team says that they are ever prepared for the Ghana Black Stars tomorrow. And I mean, they are fired up. As you can see here, they're even here for the training section. And if they can give us something a little. All right, so this is something that we will be expecting from the Supporters Union tomorrow, and they will even do it much more better tomorrow at the Kumasi Baba Yara Stadium. And obviously, they've been doing this countless occasions for the Blasters, supporting the Blasters, even at the World Cup or at the African stage. So obviously, this is what we're going to see. And their main man is also here, Aprigu Chakapo. Aprigu, and this is what we are going to see come tomorrow.
Yes, it's going to be very tough. Yeah, we know the match is tough, and tomorrow we are bringing about 4 buses.
Wow.
So if God permit, we are going to shake the stadium. Absolutely. And before the game gets started, we'll send warning. We need to threaten the opponent by shaking here and then support. I think before the game gets started, they will see that yes, we the supporters, we are charged.
All right, so if you're a Central African Republic fan, this is not going to be, a good place for you to be, because it's going to be an hostile atmosphere for you. As you heard it from the president of the Supporters Union, they are going to make this place frightening for Central African Republic fans. But then, obviously, that's what we always see from the Supporters Union, to come to cheer the Black Stars and to make them put up a better performance. The very final group stage game in the African Cup of Nations, Cote d'Ivoire 2023, will start tomorrow. And hopefully, the team that we've seen here, 24-man squad, which is just left with Fatai Shahaku, who who will be dropping to Kumasi tonight, will also be part of the team later tomorrow. But then it's obviously, we are already optimistic that the Black Stars of Ghana team could actually pick up maximum 3 points to qualify into Ivory Coast 2023, which happens in January 2024. From myself and from the entire production crew, don't forget that it's also probably sponsored by Betway. Betway for the love of the game. Betway, they say bet your way. From the fans here, they'll give you a very final one before they go. So, Derrick, let us go before we close here.